In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your US Bank's online banking account if you forget your password. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on with the video now. So the first step is you want to search for a registered US Bank online banking account and then click on the first option over here. It will take you to this website. Now over here, you want to click on where it says login. And once you click on login, you want to click on where it says get help login over here. And after you do that, it's going to take you to its help page. And over here, you want to click on the option where it says reset password. And over here, it's over here in the middle. Click on it. And after you do that, it's going to ask for some information like your personal ID and your last 4 digits of SSN. And click on continue. After doing that, it's going to ask you for some more information. After it verifies it's your account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter your new password. And after you enter your new password, your password will be resetted. That's how it works. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.